Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a fantastic product for all you yarn enthusiasts out there. If you're into knitting or crocheting, or you simply appreciate the art of crafting, you're in for a treat. We're going to talk about the Malabrigo Yarn Ultimate Sock in the stunning color 737 Patrick. This right here is considered one of the best yarns for making socks and crocheting projects. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly why. First off, let's dive into the details. This Malabrigo yarn is not your average yarn. It's made from a luxurious blend of 75% superwash merino wool and 25% nylon. This combination gives it strength, durability, and a softness that you'll absolutely adore. Malabrigo is a brand known for its quality, and this yarn is no exception. It's hand-dyed in Peru, ensuring that every skein is a work of art in itself. Plus, it's a 4-ply yarn with a generous yardage of 420 yards, 385 meters, per skein, weighing 100 grams. Now, why is this yarn perfect for socks? Well, it's all about the nylon content. The 25% nylon in this yarn adds durability, making your socks last longer, even with lots of wear and tear. And here's the best part. It's machine washable. Just use a gentle cycle with cold water and then dry it flat. Easy maintenance for your cozy creations. Malabrigo offers a wide range of beautiful colors to choose from. But today, we're focusing on the captivating 737 Patrick. Whether you're a fan of vibrant or subtle shades, they have something for everyone. The yarn texture is a 4-ply, perfect for socks and garments that face a lot of friction. With a recommended needle size of US 1/3 or 2.25 3.25 mm and a hook size of USB-1 to E4 or 2.25 to 3.5 mm, you'll have plenty of options for your projects. But don't just limit yourself to socks. This Malabrigo yarn is versatile enough to create stunning shawls, scarves, sweaters, and more. It's your crafting canvas, and the possibilities are endless. Before we wrap things up, take a look at the related items. You can pair this Malabrigo yarn with other crafting essentials to enhance your creative journey. So, there you have it, folks. The Malabrigo Yarn Ultimate Sock in color 737 Patrick. It's the best yarn for socks, crochet, and so much more. With its exceptional quality and stunning colors, your crafting projects are about to get an upgrade. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and crafting inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting!